8 years old when you found this out, food edition. Lids on plastic to-go cups work as coasters. The ring in the middle of the lid is exactly the size to fit the bottom of the cup. If you want to heat up some food at night, microwaves have silent mode. To activate silent mode, all you have to do is hold down the one button. Run bacon under cold water before cooking it to prevent it from shrinking.
Oh my God. I haven't even gotten out of bed yet. TikTok make me so mad. Let me see. Who's all here? Okay. I'm home alone. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say the whole family is here. And I'm gonna go make some food, right? But I gotta be quiet because everybody's asleep. Everybody's asleep, you know? Yeah, it's not daytime. It's not daytime. It's 3 a.m. Okay? So apparently, TikTok says that microwaves have a silence mode. Why are they lying? They gotta be lying. Let's just clear it out. Why are they lying? You see? Do they mean like when it gets all the way down? Okay. On. My bad. 3 seconds. Start. Hold down the 1.